going on YouTube? Sergi here, welcome back to the channel. So I got the Invidia Gemini R400 Exhaust installed today, and today just happens to be my Subaru's 1-year birthday also. I didn't even realize that. The dealership that I bought the WRX from just sent me an email earlier this morning letting me know that, you know, it's been a year and happy birthday to my car and stuff like that. And I was like, wow, it's already been a year. Like, this last year with this car just went by so fast, and I honestly love this car so much. I still love it like the day I drove it home. I mean, it's crazy how fast the last year went with this car. And the last year I put 13,759 miles. That's what the current odometer reading says. I drove the car off the lot with 11 miles on it. So the car has done me good. Have had no issues, nothing at all. But I'm gonna get into that stuff in another video. I'll do a 1-year review and stuff like that. Today we're just focusing on the exhaust. So if you all watched one of my last videos, I had my nameless performance axle back, so just a muffler delete with my Grimmspeed Catted J pipe. Ridiculously loud, car sounded like a diesel truck. So I went ahead and I got an exhaust. I got a catback exhaust, which I had been wanting to do, and I went with the Invidia R400. The car sounds a lot better now. It's a lot more quiet. It actually might be a little bit more quiet than when I only had muffler deletes too. So the car definitely got a lot more quiet, but it has a better tone to it. So you can hear it kind of has a little bit of a little, you know, rumble to it. Not really like the EJ motor, but it has a nice little tone. It has a nice little rumble, nice little sound to it that I like. Now, I've heard a lot of complaints about this exhaust being very droney. There's a lot of drone in the cabin. I haven't really had that experience. Might be because I have the J pipe, I don't know, but it's really not that bad. It's nowhere near as bad as how it used to be with the J pipe and the muffler delete that I had previously, like yesterday or this morning before I put that on. I mean, the drone was absolutely awful. It was ridiculously loud, not good for daily driving. This, I've driven the car a little bit now, and I can definitely say that I'm going to be a lot more happier with this as far as daily driving. Do I wish it was a little bit louder? Yes, but do I like the way it sounds now? Absolutely. I think it sounds really great. The only downside is I feel like the car sounds a little muffled. So it sounds a little bit muffled. It doesn't really sound like noise coming out the back. You kind of hear a little bit of muffled noise here in the cabin, and also the backfires aren't as clear and open. Now the backfires sound a little bit muffled as well. They kind of sound like little farts. Not really, but I mean, I guess you guys might know what I mean. So they don't really sound like a bang bang. They're kind of like quieter, and kind of like there's like a cover on it, but it still pops. So I don't know. I'm gonna throw the J pipe. I'm gonna throw the GoPro on the bumper right now. So that was the cold start. Then you guys heard how it sounds with just it idling at you know, about 800 RPMs. So the car is warmed up. That's how it idles. That's how it sounds. And then I revved it up a little bit for you guys. So now let's go ahead and put the GoPro on, and we'll do a couple of pulls, do some, you know, normal driving, so you guys can see what it sounds like then. guys. So I hope you enjoyed those few clips. That is all I have for you guys today for the video. Let me know if you guys think the exhaust sounds good. Let me know what you guys think. If it's too quiet, perfect, you know, all that stuff. And I know there is gonna be some person that asks, and this exhaust does come with 4-inch tips, which I think look very good. I actually love the 4-inch tips look. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and remember to hit that like and subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.